Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to use numbered headings and subheadings word. Let's open our Word file. When doing so, we click on the multi-level list icon and click on Define New Multi-Level List. After this, select Level 1. In the field link level to style, define Heading 1. Then in the option, enter formatting for number set, how the number will look like. Then select Level 2. There, in the link level to style field, choose Heading 2. Remember, in the field, enter formatting for number, modify its style, click on OK. Now in the Word document, select the heading and from Styles, click on Heading 1. You will see the change. Then, select what the subheading will be and in Styles, click on Heading 2. You can see how it is modified with numbering. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.